So I'm Elisa. I want to make sport clothing. I found finally the BARTENSTEIN Academy and I was super impressed. So they're focused on sports, on innovation, on sustainable things. I really love what I'm doing. I love to create and I think I'm really ready for it. So I think the nice thing about BARTENSTEIN Academy is that I learned how to draw by hand, how to make pattern, so the old-fashioned school, but I also learned the digital things here. How to design, how to draw, how to make patterns on the computer. We learn how to make gender equal clothing, women garments or garments for men, so both sides, and that's super important.